Aloha! Hi, I'm Representative Corrine Ching, and I represent the 27th District in the House of Representatives. That's from Nu'uanu, Alewa, Pu'unui, Palama, and of course Liliha. And we're so excited because today we are launching the first ever Liliha Vitality Project. And what this is we are launching this specifically here in the month of November, because November is Diabetes Month. It's a time when we reflect on those that suffer diabetes and ways to cure this preventable disease, in many cases a preventable disease. And so today we're going to talk about this new project and program that actually has been done in parts of the mainland USA, in the states of Minnesota, Iowa, and Oregon with great success. And we'd like to bring it here to Hawaii because we are one of the highest in the nation for diabetes. And particularly Liliha, also we want to help our people to become healthy and prevent even the onset of this terrible disease. So first of all, let me tell you, the Liliha Vitality Project is based on the one from Crookston, Minnesota, and Albert Lea, Minnesota. It has basically three legs or three prongs aspects to this program. Number one, it's what our office has been doing in conjunction with the private sector for quite some time now, which is actually rehabilitating old buildings, cleaning up our physical surroundings. In fact, this past year, we had a wonderful project. Eagle Scout Scotty Hamilton came here to Kawananakoa Playground, this wonderful historic playground that's actually listed on the National Historic Register. That's some of our Kawananakoa students there in the background. And with his Eagle Scout project, with his fellow Boy Scouts and some of the football players from Punahou High School, and volunteers and family, restored this beautiful wall, cleaning it up, repainting it, first cleaning it, taking off the old paint and putting on some new paint, all within basically a weekend. And they did this with about 70 volunteers. This is the sort of thing that the Vitality Project takes seriously, because why? What happens is when you restore or revitalize these types of public places, of course, you're encouraging people to come out of their homes, to utilize their parks, to get more exercise, to get out and be more active. So that's the first prong. And as you may know, with the help of Hawaii Architectural Foundation, we were able to restore the last two buildings and repaint them on Liliha and Kuakini's intersection to finish off that intersection. We'll be doing more buildings heading Makai. The second prong of this program is the somewhat probably pretty obvious. In fact, all of this is probably not rocket science, but in a focused method, we can actually make a lot of progress. The second prong is making sure that we have convenient access to fresh fruits and vegetables. And we encourage fresh fruits and vegetables being planted in community gardens, maybe here at Kawananakoa City Park. This is actually part of the city and county. Also in your own private yards, getting back to the days when people had a lot of fruit trees in their yards and not just pure concrete. We want to make sure that, like efforts at sustainability, we have convenient access to fresh fruits and vegetables. We'll be working with the Hawaii Restaurant Association. We'd like to promote. We've been in conversation with both Eddie Flores, Peter Kim of Liliha Bakery, Eddie Flores of LNL, and as well as Dwight Otani of Otani Produce, about bringing a farmer's market to Liliha. So actually, we are going to be bringing a farmer's market to the area that is very accessible, the intersection of Kuakini and Liliha. And we are going to be working with the Hawaii Restaurant Association to encourage the use of brown rice and salads, which actually we would like you to know that LNL as well as Liliha Bakery do have brown rice. So we're going to work on that and encourage community gardens. The third prong and third leg of this wonderful, very effective program at combating diabetes is sort of, again, something that seems to be pretty common sense, but activities and ways for the community to connect, ways for the communities to come together. This place here is actually the site of many years, the I Love Liliha Town Festival. Our office started that to bring people together. It's a health fair. It has historic trolley tours. It also has bringing together the business sector and the schools. But we'd like to do more of that. So what we want to do is we envision maybe a 4th of July picnic and concert here in this park. We're looking at other things, dog parks, and all sorts of activities to promote the performing arts. Particularly here at Kavananakoa School, we have the beautiful historic auditorium. We're looking forward to working together with all those involved to restoring it, getting it open back to the public, and encouraging people to come see the performing arts, because actually the arts are good for your health, in the sense that when we go to performing arts, concerts, music, plays, these are wonderful ways to de-stress. Stress is a major corollary and contributor to diabetes, as is what is little known, depression. Those sorts of things, we want to lift people's spirits, want to lift the joy here in our community. So the performing arts are very important. We really look forward to that, and working with the different schools and making sure that we promote what they're doing and support our kids and support the community in these activities. We're going to be working with our new city council person, Tulsi Tamayo Gabbard. We'll be working with, of course, Senator Chun Oakland and everyone here to bring about this extremely effective program to combat diabetes. And we just wanted to ask at this point, one of the reasons we are having this press conference here today is to ask the public for their input. We are so eager to know what you think. What do you want to see in your community towards being healthier and getting more active, being more connected, and having a more healthy lifestyle to prevent diabetes in our community? We'd love you to come to www.iloveliliha.org. Let us know what you think. We'll have a section there, a category for the Liliha Vitality Project, LVP, Liliha Vitality Project. And so we'd really like to know more about what you think. And so with that, we did want to add that this project is dedicated to a very good friend of ours, and she was a staff member, a fantastic community member, and she passed away at the age of 62 of diabetes, and many of you may have known her, Beverlyn Ho, and we dedicate this to Beverlyn Ho because she was a fantastic person, and we know that we don't, we want to make sure that we can prevent people passing away too early of this preventable disease. So with that, we just wanted to remind you, Liliha Vitality Project, it's www.iloveliliha.org. I'm Representative Corrine Ching. We're looking forward to your ideas and your input, okay? So thank you so much. We all wish you happy holidays, and we'll see you in January.